Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today we're about to do a confetti look. Now I know you guys have seen that I've been doing a lot of fun and out there looks because I just want to have fun. We're in quarantine and I want to do the same basic makeup every day, but I definitely will continue to give you guys some regular looks. For today we're doing confetti, honey. I know you are like, what is confetti? I can't wait to show you. It's so adorable to me and I just wanted to bring it to you guys on my channel so we can have some fun together. So if you guys are interested in seeing this confetti look, then please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Thank you so much for your support and thank you for watching. Bye. Alright beauties, let's go ahead and get started on this look. I am so here for this look, you guys. It's going to be so pretty. I can't wait. I am going in right now with my P. Louise base as per usual. This is always what I start with when I do my makeup. This is the base and it's in the color Rumor 2. We're about to bat this out. So how have you guys been? How are you guys doing in this quarantine? It has really gone on much longer than I expected, but I am happy that California is taking it seriously and not just opening back up, because it is a very, very scary time right now and there's still no, still no vaccine. So it's like, what are we really doing here, guys? What are we really doing here? Trying to open up schools? Absolutely not. My kids will be homeschooling because this is not under wraps. But I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope that these videos are finding you and keeping your mind off of everything and just allowing you to escape. That's there. Now we're going to go ahead and start our look. So this look is going to be a really simple eye. I'm going to go ahead and go into the Fruits Cosmetics Signature Palette so that we can create it. So we're going to go into our transitional shade first, which is Lychee. It's just right here. I'm just going to tap that above the crease, just like this. Start blending, just like that. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and go into this brown, let's go into this brown color here called Tamarind, and we're going to blend that in the crease, starting from the outer part of the eye and bringing it in. Just like that. Next I'm going to go in with my P. Louise base, and this is in the color Extra AF, and it is a metallic base. That's how it looks. First let me put a little baby oil on and kind of cut the crease. Alright, so this is what we're looking like now. I like it. It looks really pretty and ethereal. So now we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of glitter. I'm going to go into this glitter here. It's like a confetti glitter. It's really pretty. Next I'm going into my blank canvas paint from P. Louise, and I'm going to create a liner. Now I'm going to go ahead and go over this liner with this pigment here, and this is like a white gold pigment. Now I'm going to go over this liner with this glue and apply it. I'm going to put a little bit of mascara on. Alright, I'm going to do the other eye and I'll be back, y'all. I'm going to take my liner and I'm going to just line right at the lash line. Alright, beauties, let's go ahead and start with our foundation. Going in with this e.l.f. Plus Matte Oil Control Lotion. Now going in with our e.l.f. Poreless Primer. I'm going in with my Chalk Dust Powder from the crayon case. Now it's time to do our foundation routine. I'll be going in with my Insta Bake foundation from Beauty Bakery. I'll be going in with my Oma Beauty concealer. Go in with my Benin foundation from Juvia's Place. And now we're going to go ahead and start to blend. So I'm going to start off by blending the foundation, which I'm going to use this brush here, and I'm going to blend around the mouth first and bring it up. Going to go in with my contour now. Blend this up. And now we're going to blend our highlighter. That looks good, y'all. That looks good. Gonna go back in with the Chalk Dust Powder. Next, going in with the Old Chalk Dust Powder for under my eyes and highlighting around my face. Going into the contoursition notebook from the crayon case. Going to contour. The sponge I'm using is from I'm Lady Shay on Instagram. Shay has bomb sponges, and this sponge is like perfect to get that precise line that you want. Going into this brown here, I'm going to tap that right underneath the eye. Now we're going to go into that white gold pigment to put into the inner corner. And I'm going to go into this light pink here and put this into my waterline. Now I'm going to add some mascara to my bottom lashes. This is my soft brown from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Let's add these lashes, y'all. I'm going to bronze up now. I'm going in with my e.l.f. deep bronzer. Next I'm going in with my e.l.f. blush. This is the Honor Roll highlighter from the Crayon Case. So now we're going to add freckles, guys. This is my first time doing freckles, so I'm kind of nervous, but I'm going to go with my Anastasia Beverly Hills soft brown because it's like a nice soft color. And we're going to start adding some freckles. I'm going to start with this brush, then I'm going to get a different brush. And I want it to be soft so you can barely see them, but that's really how freckles are. They're not like... So now we're going to add our confetti, okay? We're going in with glitter. I'm going to have to try and use this here. Oh my gosh, you guys, I need some more lash glue. And I'm going to be picking up one piece at a time. Alright, so now we're going to add our gloss. I'm going in with Don't Be Shy from Dose of Colors. Alright, beauties, I'll be back. Alright, beauty, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on my confetti look. I made confetti freckles with glitter and rhinestones, and I think it is so beautiful and ethereal, and I'm so here for it. Let me know if you guys are feeling this look, if you think it is beautiful and different and fun. Alright, beauty, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I am so here for this. This is so beautiful. It's like ethereal and just creative and fun. And for the confetti, I just created a freckled look using glitter, rhinestones, and a confetti glitter on the eyes, and I'm just so here for it. This is beautiful, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the way I do. Let me know in the comments below if you've been feeling these looks that I've been bringing you, bringing different kinds of things. Let me know if you would try this out. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to be your own kind of beautiful, because there's only one you. Bye.